Hello, I'm back with another video for this week. This time I'm making 4 different types of coasters which we can easily make at home. So let's begin with the video. For this first type of coaster, I'm using one stroke painting. I have used acrylic white paint for the base and acrylic red and white for the flowers. For the second type of coaster, I'm using chalk paint for the base. I'm going to use this technique called Deco Patch, where I'm going to use these detailed papers to stick on the coasters. You can get these papers at a fine art store. I got these papers from Amazon. I'm using this Deco Patch glue called Mod Podge. To merge the design into the coaster, I'm giving white paint at the edge of the car design. For this next type of coaster, I am going to make a leaf detailing on white base again. For the leaf pattern, I'm using acrylic paints. I am covering this with a layer of epoxy resin to make it waterproof. For the fourth type of coaster, I'm going to use the resin art technique to make the coasters. Here I'm using acrylic paints in the shades of cobalt blue, cobalt teal, yellow ochre, white, and some golden acrylic paint. I'm going to use a dryer to merge all the paints and create the effect of waves on these coasters. I am using some stone embellishments to give details on these coasters. I'm just using the back of my brush to fix these stones in the resin art. And at last I'm sprinkling some glitter on it while it's wet.